Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence and discernment. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer-controlled robot, or a software think intelligently, in the similar manner the intelligent humans think.
Components of AI. Learning. Learning is distinguished into a number of different forms. The simplest is trial and error. It is the activity of gaining knowledge or skill by studying, practicing, being taught, or experiencing something. It is categorized as auditory learning.
Reasoning. It is the set of process that enables us to provide basis for judgment, making decisions, and prediction. Perception. It is the process of acquiring, interpreting, selecting, and organizing sensory information. Perception presumes sensing. In human body, perception is aided by sensory organs.
Linguistic intelligence. It is one's ability to use, comprehend, speak, and write the verbal and written language. It is important in interpersonal communication.
Problem solving. It is the process in which one perceives and tries to arrive at a desired solution from a present situation by taking some path. I.e., process of selecting the best suitable alternatives out of multiple alternatives to reach the desired goal. Applications of AI. Gaming minus. AI plays crucial role in strategic games such as chess, poker, tic-tac-toe, etc., where machine can think of large number of possible positions based on heuristic knowledge. Natural language processing. It is possible to interact with a computer that understands natural language spoken by humans.
Expert systems. There are some applications which integrate machine, software, and special information to impart reasoning and advising. They provide explanation and advice to the users. Speech recognition. Some intelligent systems are capable of hearing and comprehending the language in terms of sentences and their meanings while a human talks to it. It can handle different accents, slang words, noise in the background, change in humans' noise due to cold, etc.
Intelligent robots. Robots are able to perform the tasks given by a human. They have sensors to detect physical data from the real world such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, bump, and pressure. They have efficient processors, multiple sensors, and huge memory to exhibit intelligence. In addition, they are capable of learning from their mistakes and they can adapt to the new environment.
Handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition software reads the text written on paper by a pen or on screen by a stylus. It can recognize the shapes of the letters and convert it into editable text.
Vision systems. These systems understand, interpret, and comprehend visual input on the computer. For example, a spying aeroplane takes photographs, which are used to figure out spatial information or map of the areas. Doctors use clinical expert system to diagnose the patient, Police use computer software that can recognize the face of criminal with the stored portrait. Made by forensic artist.
Advantages of AI. Reduction in human error. Reduce the risk, zero risk. 24/7 support. Perform repetitive jobs. Faster decision.
Disadvantages of AI. High production cost. Risk of unemployment. Increasing humans. Laziness. Robotics. Robotics is an interdisciplinary branch of computer science and engineering. Robotics involves design, construction, operation, and use of robots. The goal of robotics is to design machines that can help and assist humans.
Features of robotics. Intelligence. Sense perception. Dexterity. Power. Independence.
Applications of robotics. Security. Space exploration. Entertainment. Agriculture. Healthcare. Underwater exploration. Food preparation. Manufacturing.